60 minutes of entertainment in the skies here at the Singapore Airshow 2010 flying display. We start things off today with a rare sight thanks to a very special arrangement by the United States Air Force. Ladies and gentlemen, you're the only audience this week to witness in person the B-52 Stratofortress. Flying in from Anderson Air Force Base in Guam with 2,500 hours of flight is Aircraft Commander Major Mike Brogan and the B-52 Stratofortress. B-52s has been outfitted with combat network communications technology, which allows the B-52 to receive and send digital information in real time during missions. Ladies and gentlemen, with a special Flypass, can we say thank you to Anderson Air Force Base in Guam and Aircraft Commander Major Mike Brogan and the B-52 Stratofortress.